All right, we got an '05 Nissan Titan truck doing the airbox, the Evap heater core as well. Just a few tips here. The main harness, I saw in the manual you had to take this main harness off. So I did it with the harness on. Okay, all you got to do, take off your fuse box, which is down here by the kick panel. And there's, of course, a bunch of things that hook up to your airbox, blend doors and things like that for your AC, and all your ducting can stay on also. I got a few off there. That's really it, other than what the other YouTubers have said. What caught me was also the A-pillars. So you do have to take these A-pillars off. There's kind of a hidden screw back here, so I was kind of messing with it for a while. Couldn't get the dash off, but finally took the A-pillars off and was able to get everything out. It's a daunting job. It's not for the faint of heart. You're not going to do this when you get home from work one day and go to work the next day. You're going to need a weekend. Really, that's it. You'll think that this frame won't come out, but it will. Just kind of yank on it. Be real cognizant of harnesses. There'll be many, 5 or 6. You'll start yanking on it. You'll feel a little tightness, and then you kind of got to hunt around and you'll find a wiring harness going to a blend door or something like that that's on the airbox. Mostly it was on the airbox. So yeah, that's really it. And yeah, I didn't even have to take anything off here. This is your wiring harness connector to your firewall harness. So the firewall harness, and then this main harness. But everyone I saw, and the manual said you had to take this whole harness off and pull it back over there. And I hate doing that because things aren't hanging. You know, when you put it all back, things aren't hanging right where they were before, and you might miss connecting something. That's really it that was in there. I took the seats out. It was much better, much more room. Here's the whole old Evap. These have a problem. As soon as I looked this up, I saw a bunch of them being replaced. So there's the old Evap. You can see all the PAG oil on there. Here's the airbox. The heater core, very easy. You have to split the whole box to get the Evap in. It's already in there. You can see the new Evap in there, new heater core. Now, nothing really difficult here. I did have a little hard time putting it back together. It's like fits together. And the thing that gave me a problem that I couldn't see was this blend door right here. If you can see it, there's a blend door on top. There's an actuator right here. And that blend door, you got to line it up. Okay, so that's the thing. It took me 20-30 minutes to get this thing back together, and I couldn't figure out why I couldn't get it seated right, you know. So this split was nice and together, or almost together, and it was because that blend door actuator needs to pop out here. There's a little nipple in there that pops out. So yeah, I think that's it. That's the only advice I can give.